Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial on automating network management with Checkpoint API. Today I'll show you how to run a comprehensive script that will add a gateway to the management server, create necessary objects, set up policy rules, publish the changes and install the policy. So let's get started. So in a previous video we have created this script. What's new here is this setX. This setX will enable debug mode to print each command before execution. That said, this will show us everything that happens under the hood when the script is running. Here we define our variables. All this we talked about. The new thing here is this command. So this command will add the gateway and set up a SIC. This password is the SIC password. So this command one-time password is the SIC password. And here we will test the SIC and we will see a text if it's communicating or not communicating or unknown status or something like that. Here we create objects, create hosts, create networks, create access rules, create security zones, and create service group objects. Here now we will start to build our security policy from bottom up. So you can see here the network position top checkpoint best practices. So all these commands will build our policy. So for example here, add FTP and SMTP services, add HTTPS service to access rule. So you can define these rules as you wish. This is just an example. Add NTP service to access rule DNS. And at the end, we will publish the changes and then install the policy and then log out. So in my lab I got two servers. One server is a management server, this one, and one server is a gateway server. The only thing I did is running the first time wizard and make this to management server and this one to gateway server, so nothing else. And if we look here, it's all empty, so nothing is here, no gateway, it's only the management server and no rules and nothing. So these are the new servers, just the first time wizard. We can run the first time wizard with an API. So we have that possibility. So now to start doing what will we do? We can open expert mode and create a new with Vim new file. Let's call it new policy sh, and we take this text and we paste it there. Now we save, colon, WQ and exclamation mark, exit. Now we need to change the permissions, chmod +x. Now we can run the policy, this script. Like this. So now it's logging in, adding gateway to management server. So only you need to look at how fast is this if we compare it to the normal way of adding gateway and setting up all the rules and objects. And so this is a very fast way to do that, and I will talk about the use cases later. So now let's create security policy. Let's see. Message here. We got something with not right, not correct here. One set specific. Okay, it not follows a best practice. Okay, here we are publishing. Publish operation 10%, 80%. And now installing policy. See direct here. Is installing. Now we can see here difference. Just wait until it's done. 40%. 50. Check here what is happening. Anti-spoofing is not configured. By the way, we can add API commands to configure the anti-spoofing, and we can add API commands to configure the interfaces. But to make... Okay, now it's done. Okay, and there we can look, it's okay. So if we go there now, we can check that we have got a new gateway. This one. Try to open it. Okay, trust established. That is good. And our security policy here. So we have created, only with maybe 2 or 3 minutes, we have created all this. So you can think how fast this process is if you compare it with the normal process. So now back to the use cases. Imagine you are expanding your network with new offices or data centers, manually adding all the new gateways, creating security objects for the resources, defining policy rules. All these processes would be incredibly time consuming. This script can automate the entire process. You simply provide the necessary details like IP addresses, object names, security policies, and the script take care of adding the new gateways, creating objects, and defining policies, saving you hours of work. You might have dozens or even hundreds of branch offices with similar security requirements. Manually configuring each one can lead to errors. This script can be a lifesaver. You can create a single script with the baseline security configuration of your branch offices, including gateways, objects, and policies. Then whenever you need to provision a new branch office, simply run the script providing this specific details for that location. This ensures consistency and minimizes the risk of errors. That is enough for today. Now it's time to listen to Matilda and the new quote.
Hi and welcome to our video. Quote of the day. A goal without a plan is only a dream. Having a goal gives you direction and purpose, but without a clear plan, it lacks the necessary framework to become a reality. It's akin to wanting to travel to a destination, but not having a map or mode of transport. A plan breaks down the goal into manageable steps, making it feasible and providing a clear path to follow. This includes setting deadlines, assigning resources, and outlining specific actions to take. A plan helps you track progress, stay accountable, and make adjustments as needed. It transforms a vague idea into a structured pursuit with measurable milestones. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.
Okay, as Matilda said, so thank you for watching and see you next time.